Okay, folks, on to 12, 2, 78, negative 7, negative 2, 3, 8, 13, 18, dot, dot, dot. And they're looking for, is it arithmetic, and what's the common difference? So how do I get from here to here? Add 5, add 5, add 5, add 5, add 5. So the difference is 5. Okay, that was easy. So if it doesn't have the same distance between each of them, then it's not arithmetic. So it has to be you're adding or subtracting the same number over and over again. In the following exercise, write the first 5 terms. Okay. So in 84, they say, what if the first guy, A1, is 11, and the difference is 7? Write the first 5 terms. Okay. So the first guy is 11, and then I add 7, add 7, add 7, add 7. Let's see if I can do that. Plus 7 is 18. Plus 7 is 25. Plus 7 is 32. Plus 7 is 39. Is that 5 of them? Okay, good, I'm done. Okay, no big deal. Find the general term of the arithmetic sequence. Oh, so it turns out there's a formula. As I scroll back, oh, there's 2 formulas. There's that formula. And then there's this formula. A sub n is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so that's our general formula. So when they want us to do something like number 90, they say find the 23rd term, 90. Find the 23rd term of a sequence where the first term, A1, is 6, and the common difference, d, is 4. Okay, so it goes 6 plus 4 is 10. So it goes 6 plus 4, 10, plus 4, 14, plus 4, 18, plus 4, 22. Da, 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 da. So that's the first guy, second guy, third guy, fourth guy, fifth guy. What's the 23rd guy? Ooh, how about I use that formula? Okay, so we're looking for A sub 23. And that must be equal to the first guy, A1, which was 6, plus, using this formula, n, 23 minus 1, d, difference, 4. 6 plus 22 times 4. Calculator, 22 times 4 first, 22 times 4, enter, plus 6, enter, 94. So if I kept this pattern going and got to the 23rd term, it would be 94. So thank you, formula. That's not bad. Second term, and then 12, what are we in? 12, 2. And then I say, oh, there's a couple of random ones, so I'll do 108. 108. I should mention there's another formula because they want the sum of the first 30. Sum of first 30 terms. Well, there's got to be a formula for the sum of the first n terms, so I scroll back up since I don't have it memorized. N over 2 A1 plus AN. Okay. And then we also have that other formula, didn't we, where we said, by the way, AN is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 d. Okay. So in 108, it's a real problem. They give us 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So that's A1 is 12. Sum of the first 30 terms. Okay, so if I were to list them all out and then add them up. Well, this formula says I just need the first guy and the last guy. So the last guy, the sum of the first 30 terms. So why don't I figure out what A30 is, the last guy? Isn't that just going to be A1, which is 12, plus n minus 1, so 30 minus 1, times the difference. What's the difference from here to here to here? Plus 6, plus 6, plus 6. So the difference, d, is 6. So that's going to be 12 plus 29 times 6. So 29 times 6 plus 12 is 186. So A sub 30 is 186. So dot, 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 186. So now my sum formula says if I add up the first 30 guys, the sum of the first 30 should be equal to n over 2, 30 over 2, the first guy A1 plus the last guy A30, 186. Okay, so let me add 12 plus 86, 186, enter, that's 198, and then multiply that by 30 over 2 is 15. So that's going to give me 2970. Aha! 2,970. Okay. And then one more type of problem. I asked you to also do 117, 119, so I'll do 118. Same thing. We'll just do it, no big deal. 118. It says summation I equals 1 to 45. In other words, the sum of the first 45 terms of 7i minus 5. So if I plug in 1, that's going to be 7 minus 5 is 2, plus the next one, plug in 2, 14 minus 5 is 9, plus, and you go on and on and on. But I'm only concerned about the last one, right? So what is the last one? Using that one formula, so a sub 45 equals, I'll write it down, a sub n equals a1 plus n minus 1d. So the first guy is 2 plus 45 minus 1. The difference is 7. So a sub 45 equals, so that's going to be 44 times 7, enter, plus 2, enter, 310. So then S sub 45, the sum of 45 is equal to 45 over 2 times the first one, 2, plus the last one, 310. Using that formula right here, using this formula. Okay, so that's just going to be equal to, let's see, 312 divided by 2, enter, times 45, enter, 7,020. Ta-da! And you should be good for 12 too now.